Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan chocolate truffles. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of high-quality dark chocolate, ideally 70% cocoa or higher, ensuring it's dairy-free. Next, grab 125 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk, which provides a rich, creamy base. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of agave nectar or maple syrup for a touch of sweetness, and a tiny pinch of sea salt to really make that chocolate sing. These few items are all you need to start this delicious journey. Now let's create the heart of our truffles, the ganache. Begin by finely chopping your 200 grams of dark chocolate. Smaller pieces melt more evenly. In a small saucepan, gently heat the 125 milliliters of coconut milk with the 2 tablespoons of agave nectar until it just starts to simmer, but don't boil it. Pour this warm mixture directly over your chopped chocolate, letting it rest for about 2 minutes. Then, whisk it slowly until it transforms into a beautifully smooth, glossy ganache. This step is crucial for a luxurious texture. Once your ganache is ready, it's time to chill it. Cover the bowl tightly and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it's firm enough to handle. This chilling period is essential for the truffles to hold their shape. After chilling, use a small spoon or a 1 tablespoon scoop to portion out the ganache. Then, quickly roll each portion between your palms to form smooth, round balls. Remember to work swiftly, as the warmth from your hands can soften the chocolate. You should get about 20 to 25 truffles. Finally, let's add the finishing touches to your delicious vegan truffles. You have many options for coating. Roll them in unsweetened cocoa powder for a classic look, or try shredded coconut, finely chopped pistachios, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. For an extra decadent touch, you could drizzle them with a bit more melted vegan chocolate. Once coated, store your beautiful truffles in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They will stay fresh and delicious for up to 1 week. Perfect for sharing or savoring yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.